I ask my client servicing team કે what is the feedback from the client. સાહેબ એવું કહે છે મજા ના આવી.
मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
I scratch my head as to boss મજા ના આવી એટલે what do I do? So somewhere I intervene કે boss I mean elaborate કે
Brief दो आगे क्या है?
tell me that what did you not like in this? અમિતભાઈ ખબર નહીં પણ મજા ના આવી. I mean, seriously, you don't know what to do next.
Yeah.
And this is so very common
I think
from...
every agency will relate to
Yes,
this.
yes, absolutely. I've worked in Bombay for almost 12 years. So, or even internationally with American companies, European companies. They give you very detailed feedback as to why they did not like it. And that, okay, Amit, great, thank you. You have done a wonderful effort, but these are the observations. Maybe you can improve upon that. So you are very clear. Okay, my next step is to do this. અહીંયા તો તમને ખબર જ ના પડે. ઇટ્સ લાઈક અમારે ગુજરાતીમાં કહે ને નવી દિલ્હી નવો દાવ.